Slide with me part 28. This gonna be a short one, y'all, but I'm gonna make it real sweet for you right quick. Anyway, this was Valentine's Day. Me and Laura took the boys to the city. We stopped at the water tower. We went to the balloon museum. Then we ended up sliding on Grams. Grams from Chicago, but she no longer lives in Chicago, so I had to pull up on her and see what's happening. Just slide with me and check it out right quick. Hit the parking garage at the water tower. I got the gang with me. Then the elevator take us up to the cotton candy spot. I ain't gonna lie, my boy was geeked. He already knew what time it was. The world famous Gary popcorn in the cut. Shout out to them. Then we got cotton candy. I don't know if it's pronounced like that, but that's what it looked like. Mu Oog. But anyway, this the place that customize your cotton candy into characters, a shape, or whatever you choose to choose. And my oldest boy picked the elephant. He want the biggest, most expensive cotton candy they got on the menu. I ain't mad at him. Then this the part where they whip it up in front of you, change all the colors. It's a nice little presentation for the children. They love it. Baby boy got the heart. Then, like I said, my oldest got the elephant. Didn't waste no time. Took a chunk out the ear. You don't play. Then he went in for the kill. Took the elephant trunk off. Let me get that. We just started, so I ain't want them all sugared up. So yeah, I had to wrap them up. Son suggested we take the escalator back down. So here we go. My boy like the Flash. You ain't paying attention, he gonna take clean off on you. Nah, but I be on him like a watchdog for sure. So we get back outside and traffic busting, of course. It's Valentine's Day, downtown Chicago. Everywhere lit.
They don't give no fuck.
So we made it to the balloon museum, and the line, of course, was wrapped around the corner. I don't know why I thought this was like kiddie type stuff. Whole time it's a bunch of YNs and some adults. It was a few children there, but for the most part, yeah. Listen, man, my son don't care about none of that. Watch out, it's my turn. You hear me? This was some inflated thingamajigger. It had a bunch of signs and symbols on it. I don't know what they symbolized, but I guess it was just part of the show. Then we got some inflated Aztec warrior heads. It was some cool colors. Son liked them. He trying to run off. I'm trying to get some footage with it, but kids. And then they seeing all these colors, all these people. They like, oh yeah, it's that. Then I got baby boy trying to have him bounce on something or jump on something. He clinging to the leg. He ain't for none. Like, who the fuck is all these people? And what is we doing? Meanwhile, the big dog running around here like he owned the place. We had a ball per usual, but chasing my son around is not for the weak. You hear me? He will take flight. Then we slid on Grams. That's my sweetheart. Her teachings go everywhere I go. Daily, you hear me? That's my dog. She came up here to visit friends and family, but she went to a New Edition Bobby Brown type concert too. Granny gotta let her hair down a little bit sometimes too. But yeah, we scooped her. About to go take her to Kitchen and Cocktails, grab a quick bite right fast, get some family QT. We was on CPT, but of course they got us right in anyway. Shout out to Kitchen and Cocktail. They had a nice little vibe in there. It was real groovy in there. Food was on point too. Everybody got their drinks. Then we ended up getting some salmon bites for the appetizer. Yeah, 10 out of 10. Grams got the salmon and salad. Laura got the black and fish and grits. The boys got chicken and fries. And I got the catfish and salmon. That shit was a hit. Shout out to the chef at Kitchen and Cocktail, their second location downtown. Here for a good time, not a long time. Got the keys from Vday and got up out of there. Dropped Grams off to her undisclosed location and got back to the crib. Slide with me part 28. Sorry for the wait. I know they gonna hate. New music on the way. Slide. Until the next time, y'all be safe and stay dangerous. No.